Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and a really fun kind of different haul from me. I have gone through Farfetch, who kindly gifted me a voucher to this video, and picked out a haul of sustainable items. So there's so many brands that are super kind of sustainable and have these amazing ethos, and it's just great to kind of highlight those. So I thought I'd do a summer haul and highlight some of the amazing sustainable brands on Farfetch. There are so many, and there's actually, to make it easier for you, there is actually an edit as well of like their top sustainable brands. If you don't already know about Farfetch, before I start, they are kind of like a roof that houses lots of small boutiques. So there are bigger shops on there like Harvey Nichols and Browns and like Fendi and Nanushka and Gucci. Like, they have stores in there too, but then they also have like little boutiques from Hungary, from Italy, from LA, from the UK, like all over the world, put their stock onto Farfetch. So you might look at a pair of shoes and the size 6 will be coming from the UK, the size 7 will be coming from Italy, the size 8 will be coming from LA. So it's really great that they do that, because it means that these small businesses don't have to worry about marketing and having their own websites, costs and stuff. They can literally just upload it to Farfetch and then you can shop it from wherever you are, which is amazing. And it often means that you can find things that would be sold out on some of the bigger stores, because there might be a little boutique tucked away on the other side of the world that's got your size of shoes that you've been looking for. So it's really great for finding that, and also for finding kind of unique one-off pieces. They also do pre-loved pieces, so definitely check that out, the pre-loved, because it's so nice. And yeah, definitely a good place to shop if you are looking for something that you can't find anywhere else. And I do actually have a discount code for 10% off. Just have to make sure that you're a new customer, and then also it doesn't work on sale items, but it works on everything that I have here. So I'm going to get into it, and then I'm going to, after I've shown you everything, because I feel like that's what everyone wants to see, I'm going to show you some outfit ideas styling these pieces up. And I'll talk you through why I picked them first too. So I've actually got 2 bags to unbox today, or unbag. So I'm going to do one now, and then I'm going to leave the other 2 after the other things. So we'll split them up. And they're both from By Far. By Far is a great sustainable brand, and I have actually written, because I thought it was interesting, so I thought you guys might be interested too, where each thing is from. So let me just find that. So this By Far bag is from the UK. I think this isn't actually from Harvey Nichols. So I've been looking at this bag for ages. I wasn't sure what colour to get in it, because it comes in loads of different colours, and I feel like green and orange are like major colours for this season, and they do it in green and orange, which are amazing. But I know for my own style, I wouldn't wear them a ton. Like, maybe I'll wear them this season, but I don't like to buy designer things that I won't wear past the season. So this colour is still super on trend, but I know that I will keep it in my collection forever. And it is a pink bag, and I've wanted some coloured bags for a while now, and I've got 2 coloured bags here, just because I feel like I wear a lot of neutrals as well, not putting my case forward with this, and it's just nice if you're wearing like a really simple neutral like jeans and a white tee. Like, this kind of bag just really steps it up a notch. And when I first ordered it, I did think the other bag was my preferred one, because I did think, will I 100% wear this a ton? I have to tell you a secret, I've already worn it a ton, because I opened it and wore it straight away. So this isn't unbagging, but it's a pretend one, it's for show. So it's got this detachable silver chain, which it actually looks so nice over the shoulder. So that's the thing, I was thinking I'll wear it like this, but it might be awkward, and I don't think it looks white like that. I have to tell you, that is how I've been wearing it, like that. I just think it looks so cute, it's so nice. I was also concerned about the silver, because I wear a lot of gold. I love it. I love it. I feel like the silver and the pink look so nice together. It's super soft, and actually you can fit so much in here, like literally your life. Like, I can fit my portable charger, which is huge, my phone, my keys, my purse, some makeup, my vlogging camera if I wanted to. I can literally fit so much in here. It's like a Mary Poppins bag. But yeah, as I said, it comes in so many different colours, so I just think it's really cute for spring, summer. But I'm going to stop blabbering, because I just realised I've been blabbering for ages, and I need to show you my outfits. So to further dispel or whatever, contradict myself of what I just said about wearing neutrals, I have picked up a jumper. I love a sweatshirt. I just feel like this one is like a fancy sweatshirt. It's from Nanushka. It's actually from the Nanushka store in Hungary, and it's got these gorgeous embroidered letters, but they're like super thick and chunky. Nanushka is an amazing sustainable brand. Actually, one of my biggest regrets is that I got invited to the Nanushka fashion show a year or two ago. Well, it was before COVID, so definitely like 2 years ago, and in New York, and I should have just bought a ticket and gone, but I didn't. So that's one of my biggest regrets. It's a true story about myself. But yeah, I got this. This is actually men's, I think. I love men's sweatshirts. I think they might have had a women's one. I can't find any of the information, but yeah, I just really liked the men's one, and I love them oversized. So I got it in the size, again, can't find the information. Oh, this is medium, so yeah, it's definitely men's, and oversized. But I'll link everything below in right sizing or whatever. But yeah, I love this, and I just feel like it's so nice for summer. It's gonna look cute in outfits, and then also like this, oh god, adding a bit of colour, and just like over summer dresses and stuff. I just love a sweatshirt. Then the next thing is pair of shoes. Always get a pair of shoes, and these are trainers. They are from the brand Good News, and these are from, I have a feeling these are from Italy. No, they're from the UK. I have no idea, but I've been looking at this brand for a while. I really like them. They kind of have a Converse feel to them. They are an amazing sustainable brand, and they are called Good News, and I just really love them. They're just really cool. Some of them don't have, I don't know if they've all got the bit like that, I don't know. They did a collab with H&M recently actually, which reminded, because I'd been liking them for a while, and then I saw that and it reminded me of them. And I just love these with the rainbow laces. As I said, it's kind of like neutral, will go really well in neutral outfits, but then add a pop of colour. And I really like high top kind of trainers like this with dresses in the summer, because I just feel like they look really cute, but also look nice with jeans. So yeah, I just feel like I'm going to get so much wear out of these. Haven't actually worn these ones yet. And then last but not least, I have a little bag to show you, another bag again from By Far, and it's another pastel colour, and it is a lilac. And my sister had this bag in pink on loan from, I believe, Cocoon Club, but it might not have been there, and I borrowed it a ton off of her, who was borrowing off someone else. It was like a chain of borrowing, and I was like, I really love that bag, but then I decided not to get the pink, so I got that one in pink, and to get the lilac, and I love it. It's kind of got this like croc effect on it, and it's just like a little shoulder bag. I just thought it was very cute. I love shoulder bags. I know I wear them loads because I've got my Prada ones, and so I just thought add this to my collection, add a little bit of colour. I feel like it's less kind of in your face than the pink one too, so I feel like they're very different bags that will each kind of have their moment. So yes, I want to show you that one too. And now I'm going to stop blabbering because it's been 10 minutes already, and I'm going to show you my outfits. So keep watching to see some 5 summer outfits with these sustainable pieces in. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and remember that you can use the code that I will put on screen to get 10% off of Farfetch. So you can get 10% off of all of these items, and lots more on Farfetch. And I will also link below the edits that I mentioned, to the black owned businesses, the sustainable edit, and the LGBTQ+ edit. I hope, and enjoy my outfits. So outfit 1 is the Nanushka sweatshirt. It's like key focus, and I've just got it on with my cream jeans, which I love, and I just feel like it's such an easy outfit, but I feel like it looks really nice. I love the colour, and this is just so my type of outfit. And then I just thought pink on pink, why not? So I've added my little By Far bag, and it's just so cute. I just think it's such a cute outfit, and if I wore like a racer vest or something underneath, then I know that it would look really cute with like a white colour block, and then this over my shoulders if it got warm. And I've just got my sandals on. I'll link everything I've styled with the Farfetch pieces, like my jeans and my sandals, below. So for this outfit, I've got my white jeans on again and my pink By Far bag, and it looks really cute like this, but I just thought for this outfit it looks nice like over the shoulder like this. It's just really cute, and this chain just kind of adds to the look. And I've just got a really simple black racer vest on and my Good News shoes on, which you will see in the far away bit, which will be playing probably over this. But I just love them so much. They're actually really comfy, and I just feel like with this outfit they work perfectly because the black picks out the black in the top and the cream with the jeans, and it's just such a simple outfit, but it just looks really cool and kind of like pulled together, but in a kind of effortless way, which isn't that what we all want? So this outfit is just a little dress, and I want to show you how cute these trainers look with a dress. And then I've just added my little lilac bag to go with this dress keeps falling off my shoulders. Not the best dress to show you, but I just thought a little cute white dress, and these adorable, especially with this bag. It's just all very simple and clean, but all like pops of pastel that make it really cute and kind of fun. So I'm going to show you full length obviously as well. But then also I feel like it looks really cute. I just wanted to show you, so I told you about my Nanushka jumper and how it looks cute over the shoulder, and I feel like it really does. So I feel like with a simple white dress as well, like this, and then it would look really cute also worn as a jumper with the dress. I'll show you that too. Just kind of, if you're cold, you can show it on. I mean, maybe not with this one because it's got massive shoulders, but do you see what I mean? Like this kind of just makes it look almost like you're wearing a little tennis skirt or something. But yeah, I just think it's like a really cute outfit for if you got cold on a summer evening, just shove it on and it makes it really cute. Then for this look, I've just got my denim shorts on, a white t-shirt, this one's a bit see-through actually, and then I've got my new white blazer on, which is not part of this haul, but I love it, I'll link it below. And then I've got the trainers on. Just think that's so cool. It's like a kind of, it's like a smart casual summer cool vibe, because obviously you've got denim shorts, then you've got the trainers, but then you've got the blazer, just kind of like mixing it all up. And then I've got this little pink by far bag, but I feel like either would look good. Like I feel like this would look really cute with this outfit, but then so with this, just kind of depends which bag you want and how much you're going to take out with you, because even though this is bigger size wise, width wise, this one actually fits way more in it. So it just depends on what you're doing and what you want to carry, and what, if you want to go lilac or you want to go pink basically. Then finally, just a really simple look, the denim shorts again, and then with the Nanushka sweatshirt. I just tucked it in because I like that look, but you could wear it, I mean, it kind of looks like you're not wearing any shorts if you wear it like this. So yeah, I definitely prefer it tucked. But also, let me show you, I've got the t-shirt on underneath still, and it looks cute like this too. So if you were like warm, you could just go out like this, and then if it got colder, you could put the sweatshirt on or wear a t-shirt underneath, and if it got warmer, take the sweatshirt off. So it's just like quite a versatile look. And I've got the Good News shoes on, look really good, and it's just like a really simple, going for a nice picnic with friends, or going for a walk, or going for coffee, just doing whatever you want to do basically outfit. I really like it.